Welcome everybody. I was called outside to just do a quick transmission. So it involves the sun here. Let me see if I can find it for us. Here we are. And so I'm just going to bring in some light codes to help bring in the lunar energy. The eclipse was quite powerful, so I'm going to help anchor those things in and integrate. Here we go. Reate, shukoyakai, nai, hiakiatai. Momomoe, momomomonai, dadadadai, dadadadai, yuk 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 yo, ay dadadai, dadadai, yo, boyakai, dadadai, yuk yuk, boyakai, nananai, to ko kik 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 kik. Moyakai, sitadai, voyakai, dodoe, dadai, dadadai, dodoe, dadadai, moyakai, dadadai, dominoe, anai, nananai, dadai, kyo, yedai, dodoe, dadadai, bababai, here, boyakite, shukoyate, sht, boyakai, rat, boyak, hayat. Boyak, ayate, ayakite, ayakite, moyakite. All right, guys, that should do it. Let me know in the comments how that transmission felt for you. Be sure to save this, share, and like with a friend. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.